Bharati Vidyapeeth is a 50 years old Sanstha, and here we have 120 mechanical intake. Because last year we have decided a modernization of the lab. So initially it was only one 3D printer. Now we have decided we supposed to purchase 5 to 6 3D printers.
I'm handling 3D printing, CNC as well as manufacturing lab in Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering. While visiting in the IIT Bombay, I have seen the Fracktal 3D printers was present over. Came to know that IIT Bombay has recently purchased more than 100 printers. I can see the whole lab is with the help of 3D printers only, and students are having given the free hand to do anything. And I also would like to have the same thing in my campus. So that's why we have bring the 5 printers at least, so that in one batch every student can handle one 3D printer.
Industry expectations are nowadays different. From the day one, the student should ready to do the work. Means skill student is required. So to develop the skill, we have to give it in-house training on the actual machines. So that we have taken 6 machines. Next year we wanted to add some more 6 machines in a such a way that everyone has to get a skill in 3D printing, because it's a very emerging technology in the industry.
So in the project stage, every student are having their thoughts in their mind, but they are not able to visualize them. We can do it on the CAD software, but that will not give them the feeling. Here we are getting the scope, how the 3D look of that particular object can be printed.
In some subject like machine design and all, suppose knuckle joint is there, we will prepare the model through 3D printers. And many concepts are there, many products are there. It is difficult to show in the classrooms. So we'll manufacture through the 3D printer, and we'll carry these products to the classrooms. So the concepts will be clear through the models. Some parts are very critical. It is difficult to manufacture on CNC also. So that last year we have got a complaint from the students. Sir, we have to go outside the college, and now the performance of all the machines are good, and their service and their quick response is also good. And we have taken many products from the machines. Now the students are doing the work on hands-on on the machine.
Definitely there is a lot of scope for the 3D printing, as we know that our government is also changing our syllabus day to day. And as an education institute, we should give the platform to the students so that they can build their concepts, they can build their thoughts with the help of 3D printers.